Hello little artists. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. Mangoes are called the king of fruits. Hello kids. Do you like mango? So let's start. At first, we draw the cutting part. Next, we start the drawing with curve. We draw the leaves of the mango. Mangoes are a popular tropical fruit, known for their sweet and juicy flesh, and are widely enjoyed, especially during summer. Red color. Mangoes come in various shapes, sizes, and colors, with ripe mangoes typically displaying shades of yellow, green, or red. They are rich in vitamins and minerals, providing nutritional benefits alongside their delicious taste. Mangoes can be consumed fresh, used in various dishes like juices and shakes, or preserved as jams or pickles. Red color. Green color. Green color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye. Hello little artists. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first, we took a black marker. Then, we draw a small curve. Draw a straight line, like that. Now we draw airplane first wings. Then we draw backside two wings, one by another. Now to draw a big curved line to finishing the body. We draw last wings of the airplane. We draw a curved line. An airplane is a large, flying vehicle. It has wings that help it fly. Airplanes need engines to move. They travel through the sky. Many people travel in airplanes. Airplanes carry cargo too. Now it's time to coloring. We color it very carefully. On the upper body part of the airplane, we use red color. There are different types of airplanes. Passenger planes carry people. Cargo planes carry goods. Fighter planes are used by the military. Airplanes have a cockpit for the pilot. They have a fuselage, which is the main body. The wings help the plane lift off the ground. An airplane needs fuel to fly. The Wright brothers invented the first airplane. On the lower body part of the airplane, we color sky blue. Airports are places where airplanes take off and land. Airplanes make travel much faster. It's exciting to watch an airplane take off. Some airplanes have multiple engines. Airplanes make the world feel smaller. Now we color the wings with yellow color. Yellow color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye. Hello little artists. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first, we took a black marker. Then, we draw 3 straight lines and make a triangle. Triangle shape. We draw ice cream handle. We draw a straight line. And we a oval shape, like this. Now, we draw a handle. Next, we draw 4 straight lines and make a rectangle shape. We draw ice cream handle. Ice cream is a frozen treat. It is made from milk, cream, and sugar. It comes in many delicious flavors. Some popular flavors are vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. Children love the creamy texture. Now it's time to coloring. We color it very carefully. In the first triangle, on the ice cream, we use red color. It can be served in a cone or a cup. You can add toppings like sprinkles and chocolate sauce. Ice cream is a perfect dessert for hot weather. Golden color. We use yellow color in the second ice cream. It's a fun treat to share with friends. Some people enjoy making their own ice cream at home. Ice cream can be a part of a sundae with whipped cream and cherries. Blue color. Here we use green color to color the last one. There are also frozen yogurt and dairy-free ice cream options. Ice cream is a sweet and cold delight. It makes children happy and cheerful. Ice cream can be a reward for good behavior. It is a good source of calcium for growing children. You can have ice cream as a dessert after dinner. Ice cream is a classic treat for kids of all ages. Many ice cream parlors offer a wide selection of flavors. Enjoying ice cream is a simple pleasure that brings joy. Our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.